Okay, we can join. Let's go. Alright, who's ready for some Lethal League Grand Finals? Exciting.
Nice.
Nice. Alright, we're good to go. Good luck, Toast. Mess them up. This is it. Grand Finals. Lotsarice playing Latch versus Toast playing that Raptor on Pool.
Pool favors Latch a little bit, honestly.
How so?
I think his angles are pretty strong on this stage, and it doesn't really do anything special to Raptor's angles.
I agree.
So you still fight them the same way, but you have to fight some of Latch's angles a little differently on Pool because of how big it is.
Yeah.
Like his down is tricky.
Good reaction there. Onto the Latch special.
Wow.
That was some very quick. Wow, actually
Oh
got hit by the
my.
parry there. That's unfortunate. Yeah, it was an unfortunate little bit of spacing, and then wasn't able to react in time.
Yep.
Good charge shot there.
You got some combos going, but no parry, so Toast just steals it. Alright.
Beautiful charge shot. Toast unfortunately just not pressing buttons.
Nice smash punish. Toast showing off his ball control.
Yep. I'm not afraid to use that and then that happened.
Not find the ball. Where's the ball?
It's in his back, unfortunately.
Wow, nice volleys.
Bit of bunt span coming out there from the Latch. A little bit of a late special, not doing too much. The lower ball speed isn't conducive to Latch's special doing much, but still takes that stock. Good setup.
This is some very like defensive or passive play from Lotsarice. I guess he's really scared of parries.
Yeah. And all that sitting on the other side of the stage didn't do much for him.
Yeah, I don't think it's very good to just let a Raptor do
No.
whatever he wants.
It's a very terrible idea.
But what do I know? Lotsarice is winning, so
Yeah, it's a good point. Good reactions there. Unfortunately missed that the tail off the wall. Good coverage there. And Toast just not covering anything.
can't find it yet again.
Yet again. Good parry there, but beautiful down bunt there. Right into Toast. Right into Lotsarice even. Able to just check out that quick neutral and take another stock actually. Bring it back to 3-2. So Toast is only a stock behind.
Pretty close, yeah.
Yeah. Rice definitely playing very well though. Good coverage. I mean, reaction. Bleh. Wow.
Wow. Nice steal by Toast to get that parry.
Mm. And another one. That was very quick. And Lotsarice down to his last stock now. A very close game.
Yep.
And that parry definitely should happen there.
Nice down bunt neutral.
Definitely.
Close
And
it out.
we'll take that first game against Toast. Against Lotsarice even. Blinkanek. I'm gonna keep messing their names up. And that will be 1-0 to Toast, who is actually on winner's side. I need to like add that.
You guys can rejoin.
Alright, cool. Lotsarice is inviting us. So, or inviting me at least. Alright, yeah. We're here. We're good to go. Let's see if Lotsarice switches back to that Raptor. I wouldn't be surprised if he did.
See, he's thinking about it.
Definitely. He beat Toast with a Raptor last time, but looks like he doesn't wanna depend on it. Wants to see if he can do it with this Latch, it looks like.
Sticking with Latch.
Yeah, the last game was pretty close.
Yep.
So maybe he thinks he can close it out and maybe save that Raptor for when he really needs it. And stuck in a very bad position there, up against the wall, not much he could do.
Yeah, nothing short of a frame perfect would have saved him there, I think.
Yeah. He would have had to move very quickly to not get hit, but I don't think it's possible. Nice little corpse chuckle there. Very cheeky. And
Ooh.
a quick reply. And read the earlier special is able to actually recover, and the floor is lava.
That deadly lawnmower.
Good reaction there. He's definitely smashing a lot though. Toast actually messes that angle up. Is able to recover though. Beautiful down bunt. Catches it directly out of his mouth. And the up hunger there going straight over him. Good reaction though.
Some nice volleys going on. Floor trap is smashed.
Beautiful charge there, but is able to capitalize on it very well and take the stock away from Toast. And steals that serve. Gets a special of his own. Raptor gets nothing, but runs straight into that parry. Just loses that stock. Good steal.
A parry, but oh, it's enough because you can't find the angle after the parry.
Panics and throws out a swing. A very quick 17 speed ball. Will take another stock. And
Oh,
reads
man.
the bunt. This is not looking good for Lotsarice. Misses his bunt on his combo. Gives ball control over to the Raptor, which is not something you want to do. Oh, and
no.
is not able to position himself correctly. And will lose another game.
Yeah, he was just not ready for that down angle. I think if he just swung.
Yeah,
he
if he
would've caught
just
it.
swung, if he just bunted, it would have hit a hitbox, but I don't think he thought it would hit him. You'd wait for
Yeah.
one more rotation or something. Unfortunately, went right to the tip of his nose. Hit the crocodile. And that will make it 2-0. You can join.
Alright.
So we'll see if Lotsarice decides to make the change now. I agree. Rice doesn't seem like he's trying. I feel like if he'd switched to Raptor, he's playing Candyman. I feel like he might have given
It's
up
candy
at
time.
this point. Let's see if the Candyman can do anything.
I think Lotsarice used to play some Candyman.
I honestly don't know. I can't remember
I
Lotsarice.
think he was predominantly a Latch player from what I remember, but I think he used to play some Candyman.
Yeah.
So I don't
Oh.
know.
Toast not parrying there. Yeah. Lotsarice smashes a lot. He should have just parried there,
Yeah.
but that
It's-
candy ball will just take him out. Toast reacting too slowly to it. They're having to stare down.
Oh.
This is
well, maybe
mind
there's-
games like you've never seen them before.
Maybe there's like input lag or something. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Looks like something was going on.
Okay, he forgot to turn his delay on.
Nice.
It's no good.
Actually, you guys don't know, Lotsarice has been pretty damn good candy player, as
Yeah,
far as I
that's-
recall.
That's I thought I remembered that he used to play Candy.
Yeah, it's just I've only seen him play Latch or Raptor, obviously. So it'll be interesting to see what his candy can do. See if he can give him that.
Okay, you can try.
All right, cool. We're here. We're coming.
We're in it.
We're in it to win it, or to watch someone win it. So here we go. Game 3 of Grand Finals. Toast versus Lotsarice. Lotsarice playing this Candyman. Interested to see how it goes. And a quick special there. Just mix the timing up just enough to take Lotsarice's first stock and win that first burst.
Some
Ooh.
quick bunts exchanged here.
Lotsarice
No one
again.
parrying.
Yeah, missing a parry. And Toast will just steal the ball from him. Very cheeky there. Double bunt. Forcing Lotsarice to move. And, maybe make himself slightly uncomfortable.
Uh-oh. He's not giving Lotsarice any room to do candy shenanigans.
No, which is kind of why he plays Candy. Immediately misses the first candy chain. Good charge though. Well reacted to by Toast. We'll take
Yeah, that was
another
a
quick
really
start.
good special.
It's very well caught as well. And the raw candy ball will just come straight into his back. I like those double bunts that Toast does, where he leaves them in the air for a little while, just to mess timing ups just a little bit.
Yeah. He's hoping he can like bait out a swing or something.
Yeah, I would have swung for it. The parry there actually, just going over Candy's head. He's very short. No, isn't he like the tallest? Or is he
Yep.
no? Yeah, he's like the tallest character.
Him and Dice are the tallest.
Yeah. Is his hat part of his hitbox?
I think so.
That's unfortunate.
It would be pretty sad if you died every time someone hit your hat, though.
It would be unfortunate. Ooh! Ooh! That was cheeky from Lotsarice. That was some nice candy stuff there.
Tricky gets him with the gold bond straight in the feet.
Yeah. And another quick stock there. Bringing it back actually. We're gonna see another Lotsarice comeback.
Alright,
Ooh.
according to Zygote, his hat is not a hitbox.
Smelly proved it apparently.
So we were incorrect about that.
We were. Oh, and he read it. He just wasn't in the correct position. Well, hopefully, we can see, Lotsarice pull off some more cheeky candy stuff. That was really pretty. And here we go, straight into his feet. That was very well controlled. Not letting Toast get the ball at all, and just shows it straight into his feet. Fortunately, misses that, and and that's it. Tasty Toast is your winner.
What a sad day.
I know. I wanted to see that candy. I love watching candy.
Yeah. Just no buttons were pressed.
And that's it. It's a good game. 3-0 to your boy, Tasty Toast.
I'm sure that no one's going to take this tournament seriously because they'll all think it was rigged.
It was rigged. It's all rigged.
Of course it was rigged.
I mean, look at this.
Lotsarice was losing on purpose. I told him.
I'd pay him off.
Yeah,